Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 34 Ford. Come from guy's collection. He had 6 cars. He just decided he just couldn't drive them all. He said this is one he'd like to drive the most because it had air conditioning. There you can see some custom pinstripe on it, the good looking grill. These are really good looking cars. 350 Chevy in it. There's the alternator, power brakes. Just has manual steering. There you can see the VIN number right there. Got 3-inch exhaust on it, so got a really good looking sound to it. There's your alloy wheels with your front disc. As far as the body, I don't see any imperfections in the hood. A little dusty, it's winter right now, so. Has poppers. Someplace, I gotta find it. Yeah, well, I'll just open it from this side for right now, but doors do pop. Fiberglass car. You can see you got 34 and 34 in the leather seats. Tilt steering wheel. Probably a little dark to see, but 19,140 is the mileage on it right now. There's your vintage air. Stereo system. B&M auto shifter. Trying to see if any imperfections. I don't see anything there. Got a nice quality paint on it. Kind of see the shine right there. Chrome works good on it. Like I said, got a pinstripe, says 34 right here. Like I said, apologize for being dirty, but yeah, I knew there was a couple, but there's a couple rock chips right there in the front fiberglass fender right there, so. But nice, cool looking car. I don't see any major imperfections anywhere. So, got a nice fit to it. I'll do a video of it running also so you can hear it. So, any questions? Give me a call, 605-695-7391.